Hey there, Vanessa Emerson here. Most people don't realize how much food can steal their energy. Not in a dramatic, headline grabbing kind of way, but in a slow, quiet, daily drain that we've come to accept as normal. Shifting to a plant-based way of eating can gently support our body and our health. It can give us back our energy and help us feel more light and vibrant, both inside and out. Now, if you've been thinking about making more plant-based choices, or if you already are dabbling and want a little guidance, you need to know about the Vegan Vault virtual workshop with Dr. Laura Schwindt coming up on July 25th. This isn't a go vegan or go home kind of event. It's a come as you are, explore what feels aligned for you, and learn how to nourish yourself with simple, powerful changes kind of space. I've actually attended twice before, and I keep coming back for good reason. Dr. Laura is the coach who helped me fully transition to a plant-based diet years ago. She's supportive, knowledgeable, and she really understands how to meet people where they are on their journey. At that workshop, I gained recipes and simple strategies that helped me go from thinking I would need to eat a lot of salads all the time to realizing that there is a plethora of plant-based dishes and food options that are readily available for everyone. So whether you're curious about the health benefits of plant-based eating or you're thinking about your food choices more in terms of sustainability for the planet, or if you're someone like me who cares deeply about animal welfare and all three of those things, this workshop is a beautiful invitation and it's designed for you. You'll walk away with practical tips, inspiration, and the clarity to take your next step. Only $147 for a 3-hour virtual workshop where you're going to walk away being able to make life-changing transformations in your own personal life. I really encourage you to check out Dr. Laura Schwindt's Vegan Vault virtual workshop. I'll put the link below. Trust your curiosity. If you're curious and feeling pulled, there's something for you there. I'll look forward to seeing you there.